we have our head here, and I've let this set up for 2 days to dry real good so we can sand it down. So we're going to be using these brushes to sand it down. That's a sander there, and then a flat sander. These here are these brushes, and I found these on Amazon, and each one's a different grit, but these work good for the areas that you can't reach with your other sander. Then we'll do palm sanding for the bigger areas that we can get to, and then finally hand sanding where we need to get into that we can't get anyplace else. So we're going to start by working on this. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So you can see how this really helped for these areas that we can't get into. So we're going to continue to sand this down, and like I said, spots that I really can't get into, like in here, we'll use this for down in here, maybe up in here, and then the palm sander we'll use for all these big areas. So we'll get this sanded down. We'll touch up spots that need to be touched up yet, and then we'll be ready to hopefully start with our base paint. Thanks for watching.